Artificial intelligence, or AI, is rapidly becoming a game changer in the global economy, and its potential to drive exponential growth online is nothing short of remarkable. As we delve into this topic, it's essential to recognize how AI is transforming industries, enhancing productivity, and creating new opportunities for businesses of all sizes. From automating mundane tasks to providing deep insights through data analysis, AI is reshaping the way we work and interact with technology. In this video, we aim to engage you with insightful discussions about the profound impact AI can have on economic growth. Understanding this impact is crucial, as it not only affects large corporations, but also empowers small businesses and entrepreneurs to thrive in a competitive landscape. By harnessing AI, companies can optimize their operations, reach wider audiences, and innovate in ways we never thought possible. Join us as we explore the exciting intersection of AI and economic growth, and discover how this technology can unlock new pathways for success in the digital age. Your understanding of AI's role could be the key to navigating the future of work and business. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to the simulation of human intelligence in machines programmed to think and learn like humans. At its core, AI encompasses key components such as machine learning and neural networks. Machine learning allows systems to learn from data and improve over time without explicit programming, while neural networks mimic the human brain's interconnected neuron structure to process complex data patterns. AI technology is revolutionizing processes across various industries by optimizing operations, enhancing decision-making, and improving customer experiences. For instance, in healthcare, AI algorithms analyze medical images to assist in diagnosing diseases more accurately and quickly. In finance, AI-driven analytics help detect fraudulent transactions in real time, safeguarding both businesses and consumers. Moreover, companies like Amazon utilize AI for personalized recommendations, significantly boosting sales and customer satisfaction. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots streamline production lines, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. These examples illustrate how AI is not just a buzzword, but a transformative force that can drive innovation and growth across sectors. Understanding these fundamentals is crucial for anyone looking to leverage AI's potential in their business or career. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing the e-commerce sector by enhancing the shopping experience and streamlining operations. One of the most significant advancements is the creation of personalized shopping experiences. AI algorithms analyze customer behavior, preferences, and purchase history to provide tailored product recommendations, making it easier for shoppers to find what they want. This level of personalization not only boosts customer satisfaction, but also increases conversion rates for businesses. In addition to improving customer interactions, AI is transforming inventory management and logistics. AI-driven systems can predict demand trends, optimize stock levels, and automate reordering processes, ensuring that businesses maintain the right inventory without overstocking. This efficiency leads to reduced costs and improved service levels. Several e-commerce companies are successfully leveraging AI to gain a competitive edge. For example, Amazon uses AI for its recommendation engine, which accounts for a significant portion of its sales. Similarly, Walmart employs AI to optimize its supply chain, enhancing delivery times and reducing operational costs. These case studies illustrate how AI is not just a trend, but a vital tool that is reshaping the future of e-commerce, driving growth and innovation in the industry. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a resource for large corporations. It has become increasingly accessible for small businesses as well. Affordable AI solutions tailored specifically for small enterprises are now available, allowing them to harness the power of technology without breaking the bank. Tools like chatbots, automated marketing platforms, and data analytics software can be implemented with minimal investment, making AI a viable option for businesses of all sizes. One of the most significant benefits of AI for small businesses is its ability to enhance customer service and engagement. AI-powered chatbots can provide instant responses to customer inquiries, improving satisfaction and freeing up staff to focus on more complex tasks. Additionally, AI can analyze customer data to identify trends and preferences, enabling businesses to tailor their marketing strategies effectively. To successfully integrate AI into existing business models, small businesses should start by identifying specific pain points that AI can address. Begin with 1 or 2 AI tools that align with your goals, and gradually expand as you become more comfortable. Training staff and ensuring a smooth transition will also help maximize the benefits of AI, ultimately driving growth and efficiency in your business. While there are concerns about AI replacing jobs, it's essential to recognize that AI can also lead to the creation of new job opportunities. As businesses increasingly adopt AI technologies, there is a growing demand for skilled professionals in AI development and maintenance. Roles such as AI engineers, data scientists, and machine learning specialists are emerging as critical components of the workforce, focusing on building and refining AI systems. Several sectors are experiencing a surge in demand for skilled workers due to AI integration. For instance, healthcare is leveraging AI for diagnostics and patient management, creating roles for AI specialists who can develop and maintain these systems. Similarly, the finance sector is seeking professionals who can analyze AI-driven data to enhance decision-making and risk assessment. As AI continues to evolve, it's a great time for viewers to consider careers in AI-related fields. Pursuing education and training in AI, data analysis, or software development can open doors to exciting opportunities. By embracing the potential of AI, individuals can position themselves at the forefront of a rapidly changing job market, contributing to innovation and growth in various industries. As AI continues to reshape the economy, it brings with it a set of challenges and ethical implications that cannot be overlooked. One of the primary concerns is job displacement due to automation. While AI can enhance efficiency and productivity, it also has the potential to replace certain jobs, particularly in sectors like manufacturing and customer service. This shift raises questions about how to support workers who may find themselves displaced and the need for retraining programs to help them transition into new roles. Moreover, the importance of ethical AI development and usage cannot be overstated. As AI systems become more integrated into decision-making processes, ensuring that these technologies are fair, transparent, and accountable is crucial. Bias in AI algorithms can lead to unfair treatment of individuals, making it essential to prioritize ethical considerations in AI design. Encouraging discussions on regulations and responsible AI practices is vital for fostering a balanced approach to AI integration in the economy. Policymakers, businesses, and technologists must collaborate to establish guidelines that promote ethical AI use while addressing the potential risks. By engaging in these conversations, we can work towards an economy that benefits everyone while minimizing the challenges posed by AI advancements. As we look ahead, the future of AI holds exciting possibilities that could significantly impact economic growth. Emerging technologies such as quantum computing and advanced natural language processing are poised to enhance AI capabilities, enabling faster data processing and more sophisticated decision-making. These advancements could lead to breakthroughs in various sectors, from healthcare to finance, driving innovation and efficiency. Moreover, AI has the potential to shift global economic dynamics. Countries that invest in AI research and development may gain a competitive edge, leading to new economic powerhouses. This shift could result in a reallocation of resources and talent, as businesses and governments strive to harness AI's full potential. As AI continues to evolve, we may also see the rise of new industries and job categories that we can't yet imagine. To navigate this rapidly changing landscape, it's essential for viewers to stay informed about AI advancements. By keeping up with the latest trends and developments, individuals and businesses can better position themselves to adapt and thrive in an AI-driven economy. Embracing lifelong learning and being proactive about understanding AI will be key to unlocking future opportunities and driving sustainable economic growth. In summary, we've explored the transformative potential of AI for economic growth, highlighting how this technology can enhance productivity, create new job opportunities, and revolutionize industries like e-commerce and healthcare. As AI continues to evolve, it offers exciting possibilities for businesses and individuals alike, driving innovation and efficiency across the board. However, it's crucial to emphasize the importance of ethical considerations in AI development and usage. As we harness the power of AI, we must ensure that these technologies are implemented responsibly, addressing concerns such as job displacement and algorithmic bias. By prioritizing ethical practices, we can create a future where AI benefits everyone. We hope this discussion has provided valuable insights into the role of AI in shaping our economy. If you found this video informative, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more content on AI and its impact on various sectors. Don't forget to like and share this video with others who might be interested in understanding the future of AI. Your engagement helps us continue to provide valuable information and foster discussions around this important topic. Thank you for watching.